Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Delainy here, and we're going to be cutting up some awesome squishies. First up, I think I'm going to start with this cute dinosaur. Like it feels like it's going to be like soft, powdery. It feels like it's going to be like soft, like balls or something like that. So yeah, I got my pointy scissors here, and I'm just going to point it in my bowl, not a ball. I think I'm going to cut it right by his tail. This is like really hard to cut. I want the toba.
Eat this piece and get some. You have to eat
I want the toba.
You have to eat this whole piece, then you can have some.
Oh my gosh. Guys, once I'm done cutting it all the way, I think I'm going to show you what's inside. Bless you, bless! Bless you! It's like not exploding. Like really sticky.
You want some? After you finish this bite, you have to finish the rice.
It's like foamy balls. And it like sticks to you. Like, look.
You want some?
It sticked to me. And I have to go wash my hands.
Almost done.
And empty this bowl. Like, it's so disgusting. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Let's see how messy my hands are.
Look at all that.
I don't know.
Uh-oh. Don't move.
I don't know. Dad!
What?
Mom! You're ruining my video. Just stop. Just stop it. And what is that?
Do you want some?
So hi. I just needed to wash my hands, but my hands are all clean now. And I have one more squishy we're gonna cut up. I need to go get something, and I'm gonna make a secret magic potion. I have to go empty my bowl.
Can you help with her soup?
You want to drink some? There you go.
Hi.
You have to do everything in front of you.
That's my mom right there. So we just have one last squishy to cut up. It's this one. It's white. It's pretty squishy. I'm gonna see what's inside. I'm not really sure what's inside because I bought this at the store. Ugh, it's pretty hard to cut. I got this out of a claw machine. What? It was just paper and it was wrapped up in this. A rock and a stamp. So, look at these beadies. They're from the dinosaur. Beadies. Bead, bead, bead. Bead, bead, bead. Bead, bead, bead. Beadies. Ah, beadies. Beadies.
Okay.
So,